Hello, everybody. We are going to get important news very soon. We must just watch and wait. We must raise our vibration. There is happiness all around us, but beware of self delusion. You will instinctively know just what to do when the situation comes about. The spirit says you must put your energy into the basics and let go of excess. There's people and situations leaving your life, and you must stay true to yourself. They say, let go of anxiety. You are stepping into a new experience. You're strong, committed, and intellectual, and you are being spiritually guided, and you are getting the protection you need from harm. They say you must choose logic over emotions. Listen to your true feelings. They say you must become the true you. You are a goal orientated person, and things are going to start working in your favor. The magic works through you. The star card is here and it says a dream that you've had is going to come true. You need to just believe in yourself. The end of a difficult situation is here. We have had temporary problems, but what you've been asking for will happen in a very happy way. Open your arms to receiving. You're going to get the recognition and reward for merit. There are solutions coming about, and they say you can get success that comes from objective compromise, self control, and patience, and forgiving and healing energy. We've all been through periods of frustration. We had to learn the lessons. It's time now to exercise, run, walk, jump, whatever you need to do, but move your body. This will give you the energy and you will feel happier. You must take a leap of faith now. You in your power and you trusting the divine timing. And they say all you have to do now is believe in yourself. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.